What is a spatial pattern and how are spatial patterns used in geography? Spatial pattern, also known as a spatial distribution pattern or the study of spatial distribution, is an analysis tool used to study people or objects in terms of their physical location. Our lives can be studied in terms of geography, and for that, we turn to spatial distribution, or the study of things in terms of their physical location. So basically, we were asking things occur and how they relate to each other. So it is a useful field of analysis. So after all, everything happens somewhere. So spatial distribution study works by selecting a variable and plotting incidence of the variable on a map. During a spatial distribution analysis, many people or objects are considered to create a graphic depiction of how a particular factor is dispersed over an area. So most often, spatial patterns take the form of a map and are color-coded to represent changes over a physical location. Factors and values are represented by a unique color or symbols to denote differences between physical spaces, as such as mapping inner city trees with a green dot, wealthy individual with a yellow dollar sign symbol, and a middle class income with a blue triangle symbol. So, spatial distribution is a different from a temporal distribution, which measures pattern or change according to time. So spatio-temporal or a spatial temporal relates to space and time. Spatial refers to a space and temporal refers to time. So spatial refers to a space and spatio-temporal or a spatial temporal is used in data analysis when data is collected across both space and time. It describes a phenomenon in a certain location and time, for example, shipping movement across a geographic area over the time. A person uses spatial temporal reasoning to solve multi-step problems by envisioning how the objects move in space and time. So, spatial patterns examines distance in physical location. The blue plots of the graph are clustered, meaning that their location is highly likely to be related to some variable, while the green plots are dispersed randomly and likely did not result from planning. So, in geography, spatial patterns refers to the organization of placement of people and where the objects in the human world may refer to the distance between them or the regularity of the distribution among them. So spatial patterns are everywhere. They include naturally ensuing patterns such as the concentration of the plant in a certain area, as well as a man-made patterns such as those found in towns and cities, and the human mind naturally searches for a pattern and trends, but special patterns are not always obvious. Climate, for example, can affect the placement of a various features in the natural world like that, and only special trained scientists can understand. So, when studying human formations, the study of special patterns is one of the sense in the most of the study of human behavior. Researchers study special patterns that attempt to understand why objects are placed in a particular location. For example, on a city-made scale, the study of special patterns would include where the business are located, how many of the particular type of business are present, and where the business are located in relation to each other and to residential areas. So spatial pattern in this case could include how far apart business are and how densely populated a particular residential area is. So spatial patterns can be helpful in the field of economics for learning the advertising and distribution tactics for business, and it can also help in environmental scientists to understanding the characteristic of particular area and how humans react to them.